Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Miss International Queen contestant Midori Monet. With her recent visibility on the international stage, many people online are asking, is Miss International Queen a gay pageant? And what does Midori Monet's participation mean? Let's break it all down. Midori Monet is a beauty queen and performer who gained international attention as a contestant in Miss International Queen. She represents her country with pride and is part of one of the most recognized pageants for transgender women worldwide. Her style, charisma, and advocacy have helped her stand out on the stage. Miss International Queen is not a gay pageant. It's actually the world's largest and most prestigious beauty pageant, specifically for transgender women. Founded in Thailand in 2004, the competition was created to promote transgender visibility, equality, and acceptance. Contestants come from all over the world, competing in categories similar to mainstream pageants such as evening gown, national costume, and question and answer segments. Is Midori Monet gay? Midori Monet is not gay. She is actually straight. She is engaged to a man named Mufasa and plans to get married sometime in the near future. Some people mistakenly assume Miss International Queen is a gay pageant because it is part of the LGBTQ+ community space and is strongly tied to advocacy. But in reality, it is specifically for transgender women, not a general gay pageant. The confusion often comes from people mixing up sexual orientation with gender identity. Being transgender is about gender identity, while being gay refers to sexual orientation. Midori Monet's journey in Miss International Queen is a powerful reminder of how visibility matters. While some may call it a gay pageant, the truth is that Miss International Queen celebrates transgender women worldwide. It's about beauty, culture, and empowerment, and queens like Midori Monet are proving that they deserve the global spotlight.